unveiling the secrets of the Atto 3 Global Factory. Stamping. Featuring a world-leading automated production system, efficient, energy-saving, and meeting international standards. Welding. Utilising cutting-edge intelligent automated welding at the highest level, ensuring high precisions and robust vehicle structures. Painting. Employing top-tier automotive painting techniques, exhibiting exquisite craftsmanship to create outstanding quality. Assembly. Adhering to stringent assembly standards and quality inspection leave LS. Continuously pursuing excellence and setting industry benchmarks.